Alright, Assalamualaikum. Morning. Okay, so let's start with another proof questions. This time let's include sign trigo in it. So as usual, before we begin, it's double derivative, so we need to double differentiate. So first differentiative. Differentiate sign, differentiate trigo. Cos plus 1 you copy back, and then you differentiate the things inside. Put yourself to x. First you can rearrange them. 2x cos x squared plus 1. This is for your first diff. And we need to differentiate again. D squared y dx squared is equals to, how do we differentiate this one? Product rule. Why? Two different elements. Yes, you can say these two, but I think it's too big with the 2 as well. It makes your life a lot easier. Sometimes I have to admit, sometimes I factorize my 2, sometimes I multiply that in. So I think it depends on my mood actually. So product rule, multiple way to do product rule. This is the one that I prefer to do. Multiple ways, so we don't have to debate which way to work the best way. Give you the same answer anyway. And differentiate cos. See. Sign squared plus 1. Are you done? The differentiate is like here, sir. Right. Of course, we can rearrange them. Here. Okay, how should we proceed? My student, what can I do just now? So I need my square here. Okay, so you can see this thing looks awfully familiar to this one. Then I replace it with y. Can I substitute anything else? No. Okay, that's all we got. How should I continue? How should I show this thing? You want to use the first or the second method?
Bring negative for x squared y.
Okay, one of you is getting challenging. Bring this thing the left side. So we are using the second method now, the one that gymnastic technique. Okay, the thing is, if you want to start doing the substituting, rearranging here and there, my first advice is get this one first. Right now your d squared y dx squared is x, right? There's x in front of it. What's ours in front? 1. How should we have x? So you times by x. But what your friend did just now is not totally wrong, because this one here we got 0. Ours? We got this thing starting. So what should we do? How do we get 0? You move everything the right hand side, the left hand side. So there are two things that we are going to do right now. We just multiply the whole equation with x, and then we move them to the left hand side. Let's try both at the same time. So yeah, a bit messy. So times x and rearrange. got ourselves x d squared y dx squared plus 4x. Let's start minus first. Minus 2x cos x squared plus 1 plus 4x cubed.
Right.
Yeah, y. Replace it with y. Maybe I should show the x as well. Now things are getting a lot easier. What can you see?
So one x,
This thing here
Same.
is the same as dy dx.
Yes.
And yeah, we got what we want, right? We are trying to show. We got this one, we got this one, and magically we got this one here as well. So was it that difficult? Okay, alright. You may try this super hot question. On your own. They ask you to find the dy dx and d squared y dx squared, and then you need to show yes, you did right. You read it right. It's a cube big derivative. So the third derivative there. It's a cube root. It's a cube derivative. Third derivative. Okay, pause the video if you don't want to see the answer for the first two, the first and the second derivative. The answer's there. So alright, try to do it on your own. I think I'll leave this as your homework. Good luck. Okay, so let me help you a bit, but just on the second derivative. First two find on your own, so let's try and find this third derivative. So thirdly, I don't think it's easy. But I think the process is just the same. You just need to be patient and have a good luck with it. So differentiating sin x. Okay, differentiating 1 plus cos x squared. And until here, yes. The thing I have in my mind is I just want to expand everything. But before expanding, you should ask yourself, is there anything that you can factorize? Yes, there is some. You see they are the same? So I can, but this one is power 2, this one is power 1. So what does it mean?
It's the lowest power.
You can only factorize one of them. Yeah, just I mean I can go faster, but yeah, I'll go a bit slower. So that some of you can catch up. So negative,
Positive.
positive. See sine squared, sine and sine squared. sine squared x. Have you managed to reach this far?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what can I do now? What can we do now? Plus cos squared x plus 2
Cos x minus
do we got 2? No. Okay, sorry, we wrong. Cos x plus cos squared x plus 2 sine squared x
Plus x plus 2.
plus cos x cubed. Basic stuff.
Cos x plus 2, so.
Do I have 2 on the left? I don't have.
Yeah, okay. 2 sin square plus cos square jadi 1.
You got 2 sine squared,
Cos square.
but this is cos squared. Can I simplify them out?
What's that? Cos.
Okay. I think 2 sine squared x I can write down as sine squared plus sine squared. In 2 apple you got from 1 apple plus 1 apple. So this whole thing I can rearrange and get myself cos x plus cos squared x
Plus sin square.
plus sine squared x plus sine squared x. I don't think it will change much.
1.
So yeah, this thing is equals to 1. I don't think it will affect much. Cos x plus sine squared x. Wow. Interesting.
Kan langsung aja Bentar. Kamu mau nasi? Bingung ya? Dah.
Okay, so let's continue.
Dah.
From the first derivative, second derivative, and third derivative. Okay, remember the one that cos squared plus 2 sine squared, can we rearrange them into plus 1? 2 sine squared x, I can split them apart. Cos squared x, sine squared x equals to 1, I got here. And then I have to be honest, this one caught me by surprise. I need to think for quite a long time. Okay, the clue is here. The clue is that we got our first one, so it's settled. And then, as I mentioned just now, if it equals to 0, what should we do? Move everything to one side. If the third derivative, the largest one we have done, what's the next thing we should do? Obviously, second derivative. Okay. It's not that easy, but when I look at the second derivative, it's a sine x 1 plus cos x squared, and I have cube, and and have sine. This one they just want sine power 1, and here is power 2. And here is power 2, we got power 3. And I look the thing in front of this squared y dx squared is y. I got sine 1 plus cos x. And then sine times sine squared. 1 plus cos x times 1 plus cos x squared. 1 plus cos x cubed. Yeah, that means we can do something with it. Okay, so let's try. Okay, and this thing here, sir, but you got the rest thing here. That means I can split them apart. Okay, so let's try. Bring everything on the left side as well. D cube y dx cube minus cos x plus 1. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got it, you know. Okay, for those who get confused, because this is considered as one thing, and we bring to the left side. Cos x plus 1. Let's make life a lot more simpler. I didn't realize that we can get this. Okay, now things are good. Let's try with what we have planned just now. Okay, this equation here, I can split it into two parts. I get myself sin x 1 plus cos x multiply with sin x 1 plus cos x squared. Do you agree with me? I can split it into two parts. And this thing is equal to what? Equals to y. And this thing equals to d squared y dx squared. So technically we are done with that. Okay? Life is good. And then this thing here, what can I do with it? I can simplify. Okay, before I continue, are you okay why this one is positive? Because I'm splitting cos x plus 1, bring it to that side, so I just put negative in front. Yes. I can simplify them to, and this is also equal to what? dy dx. But this one got squared. Dy dx squared. So this thing here right now, this not that bad, right? So for those who's wondering, there's a square there, so that means I just squared my equation here. I need to square this one as well. Okay? So do cube this one. Equation minus y d squared by dx squared. This thing here is dy dx squared minus dy dx squared equals to 0. Of course, in exams, please write them properly. I don't have enough space for me to continue. Okay, so shown. Just now when I tried to do this, I remember my student of that year come up from the exam hall screaming at me, "Sir, we can't do this, crying." I'm glad you can do that. Okay, right, try this on your own.